You like my cones? Do you like my cones? That's right. I own these streets. Today, we're gonna show you how to install your own ultra racing brace fenders. That's what you call those? Fender brace? Fender brace? I don't know. But I'm gonna show you guys. Right now, I'm gonna show you to remove the headlights, then the fenders. There's some other bolts that's somewhere hiding, and also I have to go underneath to remove 2 bolts on the side skirts, behind that side skirts, and I need to remove my wheels so we have clearance. So basically they're all 10s, as you know, they're all 10s. Let's go, Milwaukee. It's you and me now. There's another bolt here, so we're gonna have this remove. Got that one. I got that side. Now I need to go underneath. Phillips. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, guys, I already jacked up the car, and now I need to remove the wheels so I could have more clearance. For me, as you can see, this would be a tight spot just to remove the head, the liner. So I'm just gonna remove the wheels so I have clearance. Once I do that, remove the liner, and also I need to remove some Phillips screw underneath the side skirt. And after that, I believe there's 2 bolts on that side that I need to remove. I think there's like a clips behind it. That's, I think I've seen one of the videos. So I need my Phillips. I should have done this side since I was messing around looking for the VIN number. Even though it's already 2 o'clock in the afternoon, right? As you can see right there, that's the brace, the fender brace. Trabajar. Todo bien ahí.
The Puerto Rican Festival in Jackson.
In Jackson? Oh shit. Alright, it's out. It's out. So basically remove this. I'm not sure you guys noticed. This is one of those Phillips. That shit's dirty. I got something for that. One of those plastic Phillips, so you have to pressure on the side and at the same time unscrew it. That's how you take it out. That's how you remove it. So basically you need a flathead and a Phillips, and the flathead, put pressure, and at the same time you need to remove it with the Phillips. So I already removed the Phillips screw. And now I'm gonna show you guys. Well, actually it's 3. Push it in and just hopefully it'll come out. Yep. See? So basically you just press it and push it so it will come out. Alright guys, here's a quick note. As you can see, I removed 2 bolts. Right? How? You see how I opened it? I had to remove 2 more Phillips underneath and push it down so it will come out just like that. Right now I have to remove this one. There's another bolt here, and the last one right next to it by the headlight. I'm telling you, this is not my day. I found another bolt attached to the fender. So 1, 2, and 3. 3 bolts on this side. Just be prepared, guys. It's not easy, but we're doing it. We're doing it. Yep, I'm gonna go in and show you guys what I'm doing. So this is the brace that I'm gonna be installing in that fender. Well, there you go, guys. Yeah, it took me a minute to unpack that. I had to get a nice sharp blade. Give me some bolts. And also will give you a nice piece of this is a serial number. Ultra Racing. Let's see how this goes. Yeah. What do you think, guys? What do you think? Yeah? I think this is supposed to be locking this one. The second bolt. And I need to make 2 holes. I don't know what time is it. So I'm hungry. What do you think, guys? What you think? It's an easy install. Just bolt-ons. The only thing is these 2, I had to make some holes. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. I'm gonna wake up early in the morning so I can finish this, and then I can finish the other side. It took me like an hour. Not bad. So the next vid. What you said? Say that again.
Better late than never, right? Hey.
Well, you have to use your deep voice.
And turn off your big voice.
But I don't.
Turn it off.
What?
Melvin.
But I don't get to use the big voice very often.
Melvin.
Yes, dear.
I got my tripod. So now we could be able to record. Now let's continue. So now we are in this. I just removed the fender liner, as you can see here.
This is brought to you by Monsters Energy Drink.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you for coming to rescue me.
Family.
It's all about family. Say it in deep voice. As you can see here, I removed the fender liner, and now we're gonna be able to install the Ultra Racing race bar. We did the driver's side, as you can see in the previous clip. Hold on, I need to enjoy this monster drink because I'm thirsty. I called my cousin to come in because I really need help. It's a 2-man job. One guy needs to hold the door and not mess up the alignment. Let's get started. Now we need to have a marker just to mark the alignment. See, we're gonna point that by the bolts. I'm just gonna line that up, just mark it, and mark this way, then mark that one, and that's in the future you want to remove the fender, unless you know you have an accident, just whatever, you can align it yourself. Right, cousin? You see, get an extended one. Okay. All right, guys, I'm going to show you how it's getting a little difficult for me. This aligned perfectly except this one, so I had to keep on moving around, like moving back and forth, up and down, I mean, and as you can see, it's not letting me, so I don't know what to do from here, or just messing around with it. So let's see what happens. I'm just gonna keep messing around with it. Hi.
Hey, what's up?
All right. So yeah, I already fixed that alignment. Yes, you need 2 people. So, my door closed perfectly fine. And now, we're gonna do some drilling. So basically what we're gonna do is, I want to make sure I'm in the right fitment. I guess it's a perfect size, what you think? Or should I go small first, right? Should I go more, right? I'll go small. So we're gonna drill these 2 holes so we can place the rivet nut. So once we place the rivet nut, now you can lock with your screw. What you think, guys? Perfect fitment? Perfect hole?
Huh?
What you think? Perfect hole?
Yeah.
So you're gonna need this rivet gun. I purchased this on Amazon. If you want to take a screenshot, you know, you could just go on Amazon and search for RZX rivet gun. So it comes with a kit, so it comes with everything. I just noticed that with this size, I purchased this separately because this is an M8. So basically this is the size of the M8. Doesn't cost as much, $7. Yeah, just keep that in mind. Does it fit? Oh no, it needs bigger hole. I guess you need a 3/8. A 5/16 is not doing it. So guys, 3/8 is your way to use your perfect hole. Now, what you think, guys? Awesome. Yeah. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna sign out for this one. Yeah, the fender brace is a little challenging. Not really, but it's kind of challenging because you have to put the bolts in, and you have to make sure it's in the right position and align it right. And yeah, that's about it. The Ultra Racing bracing fenders is pretty good. As you can see, we had to install the rivet nuts and put the new bolts in. I had to install the extended bolts because, you know, the factory bolts is too short. Just pay attention to that. Yeah, just make sure you get a nice extended bolt. Good thing I purchased some bolt kits on Amazon, and I just installed that. Just make sure you put thread lock, the blue one, just medium, not ultra red, just medium, the blue ones, and you're good to go. Because if you don't put no thread lock, those bolts is really going to remove by itself because the vibration, all that stuff. So yeah, thanks guys for tuning in, and hopefully this video helps you guys and how to install the fender bars from Ultra Racing, and that's about it. Hopefully it works on the cornering when I drive in the highway. So let's see what happens. Stay tuned.